Day 3.
Let's go!
I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days and I'm calling up to say
We are going to Jormvattnet, number 11.
Cool. Let's go. Jormvattnet is like a little touristic center. They have a small camping with cabins and camper spots near the lake. You can go horse riding or go hiking, but you can also rent a boat and go fishing, like this couple did. And we are at
13.
I'm getting wet feet here just for you, but I wanted to show you snow. Yay! And where do you think the snow goes? Let's find out. Wet feet. Melting snow. Ew. This is really another cool waterfall.
Yeah.
And yeah, for us it's now so amazing because actually we are the only ones here.
Yeah.
We've not seen another human being for like 30 minutes. So I think it's because of Corona, but yeah.
For us it's perfect.
We just take it.
Yeah.
So next stop is Stora Blasjon. It's number, how much on the card, on the map?
14.
And it's very close by, so see you soon.
See you there.
So number 14 was so utterly boring that we just passed through it and we missed it completely. So we are not going back even.
No.
So we are now going to number
12.
and that is something special, I think.
Ankarede. And it is a Sami culture site.
Yeah, so we will be seeing some culture. Could be nice.
Yeah.
And we are there. The cafe is opening the 1st of July, right?
Yeah, it's on the sign there.
Yeah, so that means, that could mean that the other things are also not opened yet. So that they will be opening in the high season only.
I think so.
But at least we can have a look at the church. I think we found some more traditional buildings. We found one of them that was open. So we had a quick look inside. It's just a fireplace and yeah, probably somewhere people can be dry and warm. So we checked long and hard. There was no one here.
No, because there is no shop or cafe here, open at least. We're gonna have our own lunch.
So here we are at the Coral Caves. We are still deciding on what we are going to do. Are we going to walk to the entrance of the cave? Because also with Corona, this one is a little bit negative. We could not make an appointment to go and visit the cave.
Yeah, and you can only go in there with a guide.
With a guide, yeah. So they could not cope with the Corona restrictions.
Yeah. But we read here, it's about 4 kilometers to the entrance.
Yeah.
And it's a scenic place because it is a 10-meter waterfall cascade going into an open chamber.
Yeah.
So if we can see that, that would be really nice.
And this is also a nature reserve, so
yeah.
It could be, I think it's a good trip. 4K back and forth, so 8K in total. Looks nice.
That's great.
It's like a Zen moment, eh? Walking this path. It's really relaxed. We just met 2 other people. That's the only ones that we've seen. So yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice path. Beautiful here.
We found this hut here. Rastuga, as they say. Let's have a look inside. Find some boots. And we find some clothing. So apparently this is where everyone who wants to do the tour, the guided tours into the coral caves, they come here and take those clothes. And apparently they get a briefing here. So it's pretty cool. You can see the cave system over here. How they are going. You can see the entrance over there. I'm not sure where they go out. I tried to look at it, but yeah, it's pretty big, it seems. And then one other thing that I noticed is that apparently if you go into the caves you need a lot of batteries. And this is the company that does the tours. We have contacted them. We got a voicemail message and we checked their website, and they said we are not able to do tours with Corona. We are now have to take other jobs. Hope they're doing fine and they will get back on this later. We hear something, and it's getting a bit cold over here. So, and we see something over there. Let's have a look. Oh, it is so chilly. Oh. What do you think? Do we go down?
We are really careful.
We go down, eh?
Yeah.
We go down. Yay! You're doing it! Come on!
Yeah, it's beautiful.
But it's a bit
scary. Yeah, everything is slippery.
Yeah.
So, you're moving a bit away.
Yeah. Now, but you did good.
Okay.
Oh. Check.
Check.
4K coming here. Now we need to go 4K back.
But it's a beautiful room.
No, it's beautiful. Maybe you've seen it already, but Sabine, her legs are being eaten by flies, or she has a very heavy, maybe allergic reaction to it. So, and we have this this stick. This is Miga stick.
At least it works for mosquitoes.
Yeah.
But hopefully it also works for stinging flies.
Yeah, for other nasty critters.
Bastards.
The hike to the coral caves. How was it for you?
Really nice walk, challenging walk, because it was pretty wet everywhere. We saw some snow, and the end was spectacular with the waterfall into the cave. So, good walk. I liked it.
Nice.
And you?
Yeah. We were alone, almost alone.
Yeah.
So for me that was and when I see then this waterfall and then also the system, we saw the drawings of the system, the cave, that was also a bit of disappointment in me. Oh, I would really have liked to go down there. So we see the positive and the negative effect of Corona.
Yeah.
Well guys, I'm getting a bit tired, I have to say.
Yeah,
it's day 3 and we've been quite active. And tomorrow is also going to be an active day. It's going to be a promise, so wait for that video. We are now going to the last stop, and that's in Bjurälven. It's very close by. Yeah, it's a nature reserve. So let's see what we can see there.
Yeah.
While looking at the spectacular views behind us, we decided, okay, this is going to be it. We don't do another walk. That's the only thing that you can do here. We did a walk half an hour ago. It's good enough.
It's enough.
So we are going to look for a place to sleep tonight.
To the left.
I expect Park for Night to say you need a 4x4 for this.
Look at this lovely spot. And here, over here, the water.
Hi guys, up to now we did not have much learnings for going into Sweden. The mistakes were not made. We did not make any big mistakes, or we did not know any major things. But this one we did not know, and we would have liked to know, because as you can see, this bike is totally covered in sand. Let's see if I can try and clean it, because we are gonna use it tomorrow. Jesus! Have a look at this. We also have got this. It's the solar shower, but it works fine. Look at this. Most of the dust is gone. Happy about it. So, the bikes are clean, the route is planned. Tomorrow we go cycling, and you're invited for day 4. See you then. Bye bye.